Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to school. Today is Tuesday, and today we'll be talking more about plants, okay? Now, what is our theme for this term? Our theme for this term is plants and animals in the environment. And you can see the picture of our theme, all right? Now, this week our topic is care for plants. Care for plants and parts of a plant. Okay, children? Now, today we will be talking about a special letter. Now, yeah, last week we talked about a special letter, and we all know that letter make the sound. Yes, wonderful. Now, today we'll be looking at a special letter, and that letter is letter. Let me make the sound of the letter, and you're going to tell me what letter it is. That's the letter sound says J, 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 J. Say J. Now we all know that the letter J says J. The letter J says J. Okay, boys and girls? Now, before we go into what we have to do today, we are going to listen to a nice song about letter J. Okay, so let's sit back and wait. So let's listen to that song about letter J.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter J. This is a capital J. This is a lowercase j. You know how the J looks now. Let's make the letter J sound. J, 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 J. J, 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 J. Yeah! J is for juice. J is for juggle. J is for jumping jacks. J is for jug. J is for Jackson. J is for Jacinta.
Jacinta.
You know some J words now. Let's make the letter J sound. J, 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 J. J, 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 J. Your turn. J, 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 J. J, 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 J. J.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I enjoyed that. Yes, so we're talking about letter J, and the J says J. The J says J. Okay, children? Now, letter J also belongs to a special family. Do you think it belongs to the vowel family? Let's say the vowel. A, E, I, O, U. No. Therefore, it belongs to the consonant family. It belongs to the consonant family. Okay, boys and girls? Letter J belongs to the consonant family. Now, today you're going to do some work on your paper. Okay, you're going to write your name, and then you're going to do the activity. It says, say the name of each picture. Shade the circle under the picture that begins with the J sound. And the J says J. So when you say the name of the picture, you must hear the J sound at the beginning. Okay, and the first picture is a jam. J, J, jam. So you shade the circle. Let's move on. The other picture is a mango. Mango. So we leave that. There is no J sound in that. This is a jacket. So you shade the circle under the jacket. This is what? A banana. No. Jaguar. J, J, jaguar. Yes. So you shade the circle. Then you move on to the, that is what? A circle. No. This is a jar. J, J, jar. So you shade the circle under the jar. This is a puppy. So you don't shade that. This is what? Jamun. So you shade under the fruit jamun there. Ant, no. This is ice cream, no. And what is this? What this is? Alright? So do that for me. Write your name neat and nice. And until tomorrow, you're going to send pictures to me and I will see your work, and then we're going to move on tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls? Do your work neat and nice. Alright? Now let's recap some of the things that begin with the J sound. Say jam, jacket, jar, jaguar, and what else? Jamun. Jam, jacket, jar, jaguar, and jamun. Okay? Okay, until then, goodbye. Yes, so welcome back. Now we're going to do large group. And for large group today, we'll be talking about the importance of plants. And we all know that plants are very important. But before we do that, you're going to tell me what is the theme for this term. Let's say it together. Our theme for this term is plants and animals in the environment. And what is our topic for this week? Our topic for this week is parts of a plant and care for plants. Now, it's very important for us to care for plants, boys and girls. Okay? Now, how can we care for plants? We can care for plants by watering them, putting them outside to get sunlight. You expose them to the sunlight. If mommy have some plants inside the house during the day when the sun is shining, you can take those plants outside to get sunlight. You can pull out the weeds from between the plants. Weeds are those small plants that you do not need around the plant that you're growing. Okay? And what else can we do? Yes, we can mold the plant, add manure to the plant so it will grow healthy. Okay, boys and girls? And it's very important to care for plants. Okay? Now, what do you think will happen if we do not care for plants? The plants will, eventually the plants will die. They will die. Okay, children? Now, we learned last week also that plants are very important to us because we get oxygen from plants. Okay, so it's very important to care for them. Water them, put them out to get sunlight. Pull out the weeds and all those things. Add manure to the plant, and the plant will grow healthy and strong, just like boys and girls, just like teacher, just like mommy and daddy, big brother and big sister. Okay, now we're going to look at a nice little video of some children caring for plants. Okay, so let's sit back and enjoy that.
In a little town, in a little house, lives a little girl called Nosy Nina. Let's see what she's up to today. Hello there, Nosy Nina.
Hello there, Mr. Voice.
What are you doing?
The plants are thirsty, so I'm giving them a drink. Don't worry, Smarty Pants. Of course I'll give your carrots a drink too.
That's so thoughtful of you, Nina. Now all your plants will grow healthy and strong.
Yes, I love to watch the baby plants grow into big adult plants. They grow so fast. How do they grow? I'm not sure, Smarty Pants. Maybe Mr. Voice knows. Mr. Voice, how do plants grow?
I thought you'd never ask. Let's take a look at the Knowledge Pad. Well, just like you and me, a little seed needs water, food, and sunlight to grow healthy and strong. Plants are special because they make their own food, and we help them do this. When we breathe, the air we breathe out is used by the plants to make food for them to eat. Plants also take the air we breathe out and turn it into fresh, new air for all of us to breathe. So we need plants to live, and they need us to grow. And that's how plants grow.
Wow! So now I know! So plants are very important to all of us because they make clean air for us to breathe?
That's right, Nina.
And we're important to plants too, because they need the air we breathe out to make food. Yes, Smarty Pants. Just like how you need me and I need you.
Are you writing in your blog, Nina?
Yes, I am. I want to share what I've learned with all my friends. Plants need sunlight, water, and food to grow big and healthy. Plants are cool because they can make their own food. They simply take in the air we breathe out and turn it into food. And when plants make their food, they also release new fresh air for everyone to breathe. So it's very important that we take good care of our environment, because without plants, our lives would be very hard indeed. So remember to plant lots of trees and other plants in your garden and to water them every day. All they need is a little bit of love. Isn't that great to know?
Okay, so you enjoyed that video? Yes. So now we're going to listen to that song we sang yesterday.
Plant needs 5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to survive. The plant needs the sun, nice and bright. The leaves of the plant love sunlight.
The leaves of the plant love sunlight.
A plant needs air, just like you. It needs air to survive. That is true.
Yes, plants need air to survive.
A plant needs soil to grow very well. How tall it will grow, only time will tell.
Plants need soil to grow very well. You hear that?
Plant needs water to live and grow. If you didn't know that, well now you know.
Plants need water to live and grow.
Something else a plant needs is some space. It will grow well in a nice open place.
So plant also needs space. Okay, nice open
Plant needs
place.
5 things to stay alive. These are the 5 things it needs to survive.
Okay, wonderful. So we enjoyed that song. We learned about 5 things plants need to survive. Plants need space. Plants need air. Plants need water, soil, and what is the other one? Yes, you tell me what is the other one. All right? Wonderful. Yes, boys and girls, welcome back, and now we're going to do mathematics. Yes, and for mathematics, we're talking about a special shape. And what is the name of that shape? The diamond. What is the name of that shape? The diamond, okay? Now you all remember the diamond song? Yes, I love that song. The diamond song. Let's sing that song quickly. Okay? Listen to that song. Let's listen to the song.
Monkeys way up high, it's Danny Diamond. Danny Diamond is my name, baseball is my game. Like a square I have four sides that can be the same. I can fly up in the sky, oh so very high. Mr. Wind is my best friend, wave as I go by. Danny Diamond is my name, baseball is my game. Like a square I have four sides that can be the same. I can fly up in the sky, oh so very high. Mr. Wind is my best friend, wave as I go by. It's time for you to hit a home run. Let me hear you sing it.
Danny Diamond is my name, baseball is my game. Like a square I have four sides that can be the same. I can fly up in the sky, oh so very high. Mr. Wind is my best friend. Yes. Yes, boys and girls, wonderful. Give yourself a little clap. So that song is about the shape diamond, okay? And what is the name of that diamond in the song? Danny. What is the name of that diamond? Danny. Now they made a kite out of that diamond shape. You notice that? When he said, Mr. Wind is my best friend. Yes. They made a lovely kite out of the diamond, and you can look around in your house and you can find things that has the diamond shape. Okay, children? So that is it for mathematics today, and teacher is going to see you tomorrow. Remember to do your work, okay? Do your work on the worksheets that you have at home. Do your work, okay? No trouble. Be good girls and boys. Bye-bye.